Have you ever felt like your bank is a giant, faceless corporation that doesn't quite understand your needs? Yeah, me too. That's why today, we're diving into the world of Fidor Bank, a unique financial institution that flips the script on traditional banking. Fidor Bank started with a radical idea: what if the bank actually listened to its customers and built its services around their needs? Instead of a top-down approach, Fidor fosters a vibrant online community where users have a say in shaping the bank's offerings. Pretty cool, right? But before we explore the nitty-gritty of Fidor's community-driven approach, a question naturally pops up. With such a unique model, how many people are actually using Fidor Bank? Let's get down to business and find out. Fidor's user base, a tale of two communities. Fidor boasts a two-pronged approach to users, with distinct numbers for each. Here's the breakdown. Active banking customers. This group consists of people who have actual bank accounts with Fidor, including white-label partnerships, where other companies use Fidor's tech to offer banking services. This number sits around nearly 400,000. That's a significant chunk of people who trust Fidor enough to manage their finances with them. Online community. This is where Fidor's community aspect truly shines. The online platform brings together a much larger group of people interested in finance and Fidor's innovative approach. Here, the numbers jump to a staggering around 1 million users. This massive community acts as a sounding board for Fidor, providing valuable feedback and shaping the bank's future direction. What makes Fidor's user base special? Here's what truly sets Fidor apart. Active user participation. Unlike traditional bank forums that often gather dust, Fidor's online community is buzzing with activity. People discuss financial products, offer suggestions, and even vote on new features. This two-way dialogue is what makes Fidor unique. Global reach. While Fidor started in Germany, its online community transcends borders. With over 1 million users, it's safe to say Fidor attracts people from all over the world, fostering a diverse and dynamic platform. Fidor, a glimpse into the future of banking. Fidor's success with its user-centric approach is undeniable. By actively involving customers in the decision-making process, Fidor creates a more transparent and responsive banking experience. The bottom line. While traditional banks might boast millions or even billions of customers, Fidor's user base, while smaller, is actively engaged and shapes the bank itself. This innovative model has the potential to fundamentally change the way we interact with our finances in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.